opportunities for doctors after MBBS. This MBBS journey of yours, all right? So, or not only MBBS, in life, we take some decisions, but you sometimes become very self-doubt person, or question yourself or question your decisions, whether whatever I decided, is it right for me or not. This will also happen in your career plan. So when you are doing your career planning, it is obvious it is going to happen. So you need to also ask yourself going forward, did you choose MBBS just because society wanted you to do, or you were really keen to do? Okay, this is a very important question. Is money a motivating factor for you? Yes or no? Are you becoming a doctor because it is your dream or it is someone else's dream? Because believe me, whenever I do this session, after this session, whenever I share my WhatsApp number and I get personal calls from students, and they are discovering their journey, and stories are overwhelming. A lot of times their passion was completely different, or sometimes it was it was predestined and they did get into medicine and they equally enjoy. So I'm not saying that it is only that you have to leave the field, but yeah, you might get deep down into it. So